Hi, Camber Martin here. Doing the first ever personal testimonial on behalf of Blue Dog Boarding and Daycare in Rockville, Maryland. Just want to briefly discuss um, my experience with Blue Dog and tell you a little bit about why I would recommend them to family and friends. And let me get started. Um, my situation was this: at the end of March, I found myself without a job and without a steady paycheck coming in. I opted to terminate the lease agreement where I was renting a place, and at that point was forced to live in my minivan. My dog Buddy is a black lab. He's about 80 pounds, and it was the end of March, so it started chilly, and then we went into summer, and it was hot, and I was struggling to keep gas in my car and clean clothes, and I was struggling to find a place to shower and to eat and to feed my dog. And I finally got a job offer the end of June and needed a place to keep Buddy during the day while I worked, but couldn't really afford to pay for it right away because I hadn't gotten a paycheck yet and I didn't have any money. So, um, Googled pet daycares in the Rockville, Maryland area, and Blue Dog came up, and I contacted them. I spoke with the owner. I explained my situation, that I was currently homeless and didn't have any money, but just got a job and was trying to get on my feet and needed a place to leave Buddy that was safe and compassionate, and that he could play and have fun and it was close, and that kind of thing. So they were willing to work with me on making the payments and the price, to help me get back on my feet, and to help me to have a place to leave Buddy safely during the day, so that I did not have to abandon him at a shelter, or you know not something I would ever want to do anyway, which is the reason I lived in my vehicle, was because I refused to get rid of Buddy. So I just want to say that Blue Dog is, they don't only care about your pet, they're concerned about you and your life and your well-being, and um, they're concerned also for your pet and about your concerns for your pet and the safety of your pet, and they love and care for your pet, like they do their own pets, and probably like you do your pets. And that's what's important, is that when I leave my dog here every morning, um, that I know that he's safe and not being abused or neglected or whatever, mistreated. Um, that kind of thing just does not happen at Blue Dog, because everybody here is like a big family. All the workers, the owner, we all just really love animals and want to be there for the animals, but also care and are concerned for their owners as well. And Blue Dog uh, definitely puts that point across. And I just wanted to share that. And thank you for listening.